Look who I have in the kitchen with us today. It's Catherine McCord, founder of Weelicious.
I've got a recipe that is gonna blow you away. Yogurt pancake tacos. I'm gonna crack 2 eggs, and I would love for you to put 1 cup of the Stonyfield whole milk yogurt.
Okay.
It gives it a real nice creaminess in these pancakes, but it also gives it like a little bit of that tart tang. So it's like basically replacing milk. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of the canola oil, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and then I've got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and we're gonna whisk this up. We have a cooktop here. I've just got some cooking spray. It only takes about 2 minutes per side. I think that looks like money. Okay, I'm giving you this one. You're folded up like this. We're gonna take our gorgeous, thick, creamy yogurt. Right here we've got some chocolate chips, coconut,
Strawberries.
blueberries, flax seeds, chia seeds. Right?
The warm pancake, the cool yogurt, the chocolate chips are melting. Cheers, Catherine.
Cheers.